Hi guys, in this video I am going to discuss about Accenture salary after 3 years of experience. I will discuss about how much hikes you will get within these 3 years in the Accenture and how many promotions you will get, or which are the designations which will change throughout these 3 years, and whatever we will talk today we are discuss with all the facts and figures. So without wasting a time, let's get started. As you know, Accenture provides the freshers a 4.5 LPA package, and these package provided by the Accenture to all the freshers. And these periods for the 3 years I have divided into 4 parts: 0 to 1 year, 1 to 2 years of experience, 2 to 3 years, and after the 3 years. So first we are going to discuss about 0 to 1 years. So in this period you will get the designation as a associate software engineer. When the Accenture hires you, then your first designation is associate software engineer, in which you will get the package of 4.5 LPA, and you will get 25,000 joining bonus and 10,000 after training. If you complete the assessment which are organized by the Accenture after your training, then if you complete this assessment within one shot, you complete and clear in one shot, then you will also get the 10,000 bonus. And in these periods everyone and got the 20k in hand salary in their account between the 0 to 1 years. So this is the package for 0 to 1 years. And if we are going to talk about the period of 1 to 2 years, then in this period you will get the 15 to 12% hikes in your salary. Accenture provides 12 to 15% salary hikes in this period after the 1 years for average performance, and you will get in-hand salary approximately 30k to 32k. You will get these in-hand salary into your account. And if you are a very top performer in the 0 to 1 years of experience, then you will get the 25% hikes. These are a very rare case. Average you will get 12 to 15% hike after the 1 years in the Accenture, and your package become between the 1 to 2 years is 4.95 LPA. Now if we discuss about the period of 2 to 3 years, then after the 2 years your package will increase and your package will become the 5.45 LPA after the 2 years. So your package is 5.45 LPA, and you get first promotion, and your designation will be software engineer. Before your designation is associate software engineer, and now after the 2 years you got the promotion, and your designation is now becomes software engineer, and you will get the hike the 18%, which is approximately around 15k. So these 15k if you add in these 4.95 LPA, then you will get the package 5.45 LPA, and your in-hand salary is approx 38k to 40k in-hand salary, which you will get in your account after the 2 years of experience in the Accenture. Now if we going to talk about the after the 3 years in the Accenture, then you will get again 15% average 15% hikes by the Accenture after the 3 years. And or we can compare, then you can get approximately 54.5k, a thousand increase in your overall package. So if you add 54.5k in the package of 5.45 LPA, then you will get approx 6 LPA package after the 3 years of experience. And in the Accenture you will get the allowance, like if you are working in the night shift, then you will get the 4,000 rupees per day for doing the work in night shift, and for the morning and the afternoon shift you will get 200 rupees, and for the night you will get 400 rupees. And these allowances are available in whole the period. You will get allowance whenever you join, and you will get allowance according to your shifts, and these allowance are varied between the different companies, but in the Accenture you will get these types of allowances according to your work shifts. So this is the overall hike which you will get in the 3 years of experience in the Accenture, and these promotions you will get within the Accenture within the 3 years of period and after the 3 years of experience. In some cases these hikes and salary can vary, because it is also depends upon the company's performance and also upon your performance, but in the average case you will get these salary structures into the Accenture within 3 years of period. I hope you will get the fair idea about the salary structure and the hikes and promotion promotion policies of the Accenture within 3 years of experience. So if you like that video, then hit the like button, and if you have any suggestions, then you can drop a comment, and for these types of videos you can subscribe our channel. So thanks for watching.